Just in time for school to start this year, we've just finished up our paving project. Adjustment and expansion to the elementary parking lot helped create a safer parent and pickup drop-off area. New sidewalk and crosswalk locations provide more opportunity, more space, more room for parents to pick up and drop off students in the morning and after school. Keep your eye out for our crossing guards and staff members helping to create the new traffic flow on the first day of school. There's also new handicap parking locations closer to the elementary door with new sidewalk and new curb. At the high school, middle school building, the large student parking lot, we finally added basketball court lines, three-point line, foul line to the basketball hoops that have been in place for the last 2 or 3 years. There's also a driveway that connects the student parking lot to the Centerburg Church of Christ. This is for emergency vehicles only. Students should not use this driveway when coming to school or leaving school each day.